Welcome. In this video, we will take a closer look at how the initial and delta distribution of master data works in SAP. Master data distribution refers to the process by which master data, such as vendor or customer master records, maintained in the leading SAP system, is sent to other systems within the system landscape. The initial distribution, also known as the first-time distribution, sends all relevant data to the respective target system. Delta distribution, on the other hand, only transmits the changes made within a specific period to the respective target system. Since SAP is often the leading system for master data, it is usually sufficient to distribute only the changed data via delta distribution to the connected systems. Delta distribution typically runs automatically in the background through scheduled jobs. SAP determines which data needs to be sent by evaluating change pointers. Change pointers record which master data was changed, when, and by whom. The reports RMITIC, ROTSER 01 and ROTSER 02 can be used to evaluate these change pointers. Based on this evaluation, the reports generate and send iDocs. These reports are usually scheduled as background jobs with the relevant message type specified, allowing the delta distribution to run automatically. For the delta distribution to function properly, it is essential to correctly configure the outbound iDocs in the partner profiles and in the ALE distribution settings. The manual or initial distribution of master data is usually triggered via specific transactions. For example, customer master data can be sent to a target system using transaction BD12, and vendor master data can be sent using transaction BD14. This brings us to the end of the video. Today, we learned how the concepts of initial and delta distribution of master data differ in SAP. Thank you for joining us today. We look forward to welcoming you again in our next video.